welcome to Hazel's Emporium. Welcome to those who are new to my channel. My name is Hazel, and so for today's video, I am going to unbox another unboxing for my channel, and this is a chair to my table. I just unboxed this too. So thank you for all the support. It's sparking and it's growing my channel. Thank you a lot for all the support. I am not here without you guys, without all your help. So I am thankful to that. So I will give you a detail on how I will be doing an unboxing to this, because I have no one to count on though. So I have someone, but literally we are all busy here, work here and there. So you have to count yourself. That's how it is. Bawal magkasakit. Have to be healthy at least all the time, right? So take care of ourselves. Always take a vitamins and healthy food. More water. Drink lots of water. That's a good. It helps a lot to our body. Anyway, shout out to Lifestyle. And who else here? Emotero, Emily Guapa. Thank you so much, Annalyn Lideros. Thank you. Shout out to you, my girl. And that's. And stay with me, guys. Alright, I will give you a detail on how I can be now a handy woman. This is how life goes here in Canada. You have to know by yourself. Because we are all busy here, working here and there. So we're not of the same schedule off. So suck it up, that's how it works. Ultimately get the chair done, but I forget to film. I mean I carried away, so I could not able to fix the back and the arm of that chair. So I'm sorry about that. And you know what, that's Emma, my best friend. She ultimately passed from COVID, and I'm missing her so much, praying her soul in heaven. And that is a Santa on the side is from her, a souvenir from her. So I'm trying to put that as far as I could have my eyesight on that. I miss her so much, and thank you all for the support. Have a good day. God bless. Mwah.